Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance, welcome back to my garage. Are you also experiencing failed Sun Visor, which will not stay up this way forward, it will not close up here, and it's completely driving you crazy anytime when you get in the car? My advice to you is don't put up with it, right? Don't just settle for this and replace it ASAP, because it's extremely easy, and I will show you how right now. And most of the vehicles on the market will have the similar design, right? It's super simple. Most of the time I saw there are two basically Phillips screws, right? So one of them can be accessed even when it's hanging, like here. So I will remove the first one, and the other screw, if you leave it in this position, I will be not able to get there, right? So what do? You just unclip it here, right, from that clamp. Look, you turn it to the side and you continue with this Phillips screwdriver. And I'm holding the camcorder, right, just to show you that it will really fall off. I should be using my both hands, but whatever. This is how simple it is. So that's a removal, right? And Toyota did it so good, they even wrote on it, right, when you are installing, that this area goes to the front and that will be towards to you. So this is perfect. I got very lucky when I bought this Scion, and both of them were hanging, right? Both of them are broken. Our junkyard here, it's very small, but by some miracle they got a 2006 Scion. So for a very reasonable price, they sold me the ones which are perfectly working. So let's go and install it back. And I have no problem with the fact they are a little bit worn, right? They will actually, and dirty, right? But they will actually perfectly match the car. So we will start, right, following this front, right? I will position it correctly for myself and start. And I believe the easiest way is to hang it in this clip and start with this screw, right? So I started it again. I'm holding the camcorder. So I will start with this one, tighten it almost all the way, right? Then I will unclip it here, turn it this way and install the other screw. So now I will tighten fully this one. There's not much needed on it, right? Just use the common sense. That should be it. I will return this back here. I will finish with this screw because I still had it slightly loose. See that? And look at that. What a absolutely beauty. It holds in every single stage. The mirror is not broken. They gave me good deal. I believe they charged me like $10 for each. So altogether I think it was $20. And I'm very happy because when I bought this car, this thing was hanging here. It was absolute nightmare. Then I took it off, but at the sunset I couldn't see, right? So it was the right decision to take care of this as soon as possible. And I will immediately go and install the other one right now. So thank you for watching, and make sure you are subscribed. I have way more about Toyotas and this Scion going your way soon. See you later, my friend.